we are going to see one more tool for assessing the students. So Kahoot is the website. So you can take a browser, type kahoot.com, and after entering the website address, you will see the page like this. So here you can sign up for free by using Gmail account. Just click in the top. So by using this Kahoot, you can create an interactive questionnaire like a game. So the students won't feel that it is an exam. So they will answer the questions a like playing game. So just press the button sign up so that you will enter into the account creation page. So you have to give the login details here, that you can see that there are four tabs. Either you are going to create, or you are going to attend, or it is a personal page or professional page. I am using the teacher page. Here you have to give for the first time, either you are coming from school or higher education or school administration or doing business. So either you can select school or higher education. I am using the higher education. So you have to give all these details, for example email, password, and or you can use the Google Gmail account for signing up. So for create an account, you have to give all these details. Now I have created, just I am login by using so give the username and password. Automatically you will enter into the dashboard of your account. So once you get into the account, you can create the questions in an innovative way, like a game. You can design your assessment tool like a game, so that the student can play and they may get score. So these are the professional options. For example, what are the features they have available for? We will continue with the free trial. So after entering into the free account, you can see that what are the assessment tools you have created, and you can see your the school or college details and your interest, all these things while creating the account you have to give. Now already you can play a game, or if you want to create a new thing, you can go here. You can see all these things are available. If you want to create a new one, you can select, for example, the super tricky flag quiz, or here week needs of the week, kids friendly. So these are the assessment game already created. So we can either use it and customize it according to our need easily, or you can go and create a new one. So either you can select the previously created by Kahoot user, and you can change the question and answer, the layout, the color, everything, or you can create by your own. I am selecting the create one. So now you can see new Kahoot, or a create teacher interactive lesson, or teach with slides. So these are the templates available. For example, formative assessment. So I can select a teacher inspired by a higher education instructor. So spark discussion with polls, introduce new topics with the blind Kahoot. So I am selecting this Kahoot for informative assessment. So now you can see, so I have selected a template, and now you can see here the left hand side you can see first one is quiz, second one is quiz, and the third one is true false. So this way you can arrange it. The first one is 20 seconds limit. So what is the point you can see, and answer option, single select or multiple select. These are the things. So determine what type of knowledge you are trying to assess, replace with the simple introductory questions. So here, so this is a topic. So for example, this is first choice and second choice and third choice. If you want to edit, you can click here and change the question. Here I am using which is the best LMS, which is not an LMS tool. So I am asking the question. Here you can use, here I am using Canvas here. So this is the correct answer. You can remove it or you can make it the correct answer here. So either you can change the correct answer. So if you select here, this is the correct answer means you can change it here. I am using Pixabay here, Google Classroom, and another one is Edmodo. So after making this, I can change the picture, remove the picture, I can crop it, all these things. What is the point? I can change. So I can change to 100 or it can be less than 100. So for example, if you want to change the time second, you can change into 30 seconds instead of 20. So after making the first questions, I am going to go to the second one. So this is the second one. You can change the picture, and here you can use a question. Which is the site offering materials for making slide template. So after selecting these, you know how to select all these things. Now this is the correct answer means I am selecting this one and I remove this option. So change it. Here it is slidemodel.com. Here Canva. Here Canvas. Here CC search. I can select, and if you want to change, you can change. And third questions, it is a true or false question, either true or false. So I am selecting false is the answer. So I remove the true. So here I am selecting it, and automatically it will remove here. So here I change the question. Pixabay is a online LMS website. Okay. So this is a question I have asked. So after making it, it is 20 seconds. If you want to add slides, you can import slides or import spreadsheet. If you want to add question, you can add further. For example, this button can be used. The fourth question you can add. After making the questions, you can add more questions. For example, after third, fourth question is there. So I am changing the fourth questions. Question number 4. What is mean by OBS? So here I change the timing for 30 seconds. So open broadcaster system. So like that I can change other base system. Open broadcaster software. None. So this is the right answer. So after selecting, automatically I remove this one. So like this you can make questions. For example, after fourth one, fifth one is there. So I can delete by using this option. I can duplicate the same question. So I am deleting, and again fifth one I am deleting this question. So if you want to add question, you can use add option. Okay. And I remove all the remaining questions for making this quiz a simple one. So now I have made this assessment tool with the 4 questions. If you want to add, you can add, and you can see this quiz is there, true or false is there, and these are the tools we cannot use here because these are the subscribed version tools. So by using these two, or we can use the existing created questions. So after making all these things, so I am using the button done. So it is validating whether all the questions are properly arranged, the answers are properly marked. So all these things will be validated, and now it is getting ready. Now test this Kahoot. Already we have created, so it will take time load. So we are going to see how it is designed, how the students will view this assessment tool. And now it is getting ready. Which option you are going to select, whether player versus player or team versus team. And here up to 50 players can play this assessment tool. And here I am using the classic one. Now ready to join. Now, so this is the code. Here waiting for player. I am copying this code and I am pasting it here. Just enter. So now after entering this code, so this is a trial. So I am using test. Okay. Now you can see the test is entered. The player 1. So here the counting is started. I am reducing little board volume. Now it is getting ready. So the students are able to see this by using their mobile phone. Now first question, what is mean by OBS? The question will be there, and after that 30 seconds will be there. So I am going to select, I am selecting this option, this option. Okay, it is correct. Next, second one, how much points I am getting, and automatically after sometimes the second question will display. What is the site offering materials, make slide. So here these are the symbols. So I am using this one. So within 6 seconds I am able to answer. So here what is the point? So this way the students will be able to attend this assessment tool like a game, and which is not an LMS tool. So here we can use, which is not an LMS tool, that fourth one. So I am using the fourth one. So I am getting the fourth one. So these are the way we can create an innovative assessment tool for making the students more interested. And these are these LMS website. True or false? I am using false. So genius, that time I got the machine that called. So all the 4 questions are answeredly correct by us. So now that this is the first place epic win. So this Kahoot assessment can be played by 50 students or 50 participants at the same time. Now 2 players are there, player 1, player 2, player 3, like this. So by using this code, they will 50 students can play at the same time, so that they can share and they can exchange the views about this answer. So dear teachers, it is the time to explore, and I am closing it. So it is a time to explore, and now you can share with others also. And just I am using done. So again it will come to my dashboard. Now you can see what are the assessment tools I have created. Now that this is an assessment tool I have created just now with the 4 questions. Here I have already created one know your teacher for with the 6 questions. You can take this one or you can share this one to others. You can play here. For example, I am using here, and I can teach or I can assign it. For example, I am assigning here what is the thing when they have to play. So timer also it is there, random is order, everything we can make it, and here I am create it. So I am creating Kahoot. So by using the pin, we can share this tool to the students, so they will come and play. Now you can see invite more players. Now Kahoot for assessment, and here copy the URL, or you can use the pin. Either you can use the pin or you can copy the URL and you can share it. So this is the way you can share it, and these are the social how we can share it by using our Google Classroom or Twitter, Facebook. These are the way also you can share. Either you can share, copy and paste, or by using these options. So now you know how to create an assessment tool as a game.